Good afternoon, toy boxers. And here we are in another day. It is a Friday. It is a rough day. We are behind, and it's a maintenance day. We're having problems with Ling Ling here. We're not sure what's going on. Something to do with this hot end fan. We're currently talking with Bamboo to figure that out. Cleaning bed plates, printing, cleaning, and continuing on, and you can see the horrificness that is my workspace. And quite frankly, Lizzie's Toy Box operates in a very small area. But we get it done. We do what we do, and we get it done. We have our first print over here. This is our cephalopod. He went well. The AMS is still on the wall, which is great. And I don't know if you guys noticed this or not, but I took a safety precaution because I've already had one spool land on this build plate, as you can see by the wonkiness in the level there. So what we did is we put the heavy spools on the right side in hopes that if this thing was going to come down, it would end in the hole and not on the printer. So that seems to have worked out well. And that being said, our octopus is doing well and they're ready to go. So we'll pop him off of there. Oh, it's a little stuck. He's obstinate. They can do that. There we go. Look at that. Boom. This is the first and only chrome squid. We've got the silver on the bottom for a lighting effect, and then we've got the high gunmetal gray, the darker gunmetal gray for the rest of it. The silk does have a little bit of lines. This is one of the hardest areas on any print, that rounded edge. As always, rough. But anyways, this was a special order, custom for me ma. Happy to fill any order you like or create your own custom order. These bad boys are currently available on Etsy with or without magnets. Your choice. If you want a custom color, you go ahead and reach out to us. We can do the bottom and we can do the top. Whatever you like, you just let us know. We'll figure it out and we'll get it done. And again, those are available on Etsy. I will provide a link with a discount if you follow that link on Etsy on how to get your own. And yeah, appreciate you guys, love you guys, and I'm happy you're here and you continue to tune in. It's always great to have a fan base. So yeah, anyways, Lizzie's Toy Box, Etsy, Facebook, here on YouTube where you're currently at, and, well, all over the internet and wherever you can find us. So, thanks, guys.